who tryna go? Who gon' drop it down like it's money on the floor? Who tryna bust it for the dollars? Who tryna freak, bring her home, girl, and run it? She my spicy little mama. She let me bust it.
Alright, I just rolled in at Wetworks. Gonna do something to this. Very excited. G was working on it the other day. We're gonna make it happen right now.
I buy her all the designer, but she's still leaving tomorrow. Who tryna go? Who nigga hope that she don't? Who tryna slide for the night? Who tryna weapon eye? Know my name, say my name. Yellow diamonds on my chain, lemonade. I can never be your main, but tell your main you gon' have to call him back another time. Girl, let's get high and ride, go up, get loud, get right here and now. Yeah, tell me who tryna go? Who gon' drop it down like it's money on the floor? Who tryna bust it for the dollars? Who tryna freak, bring her home, girl, and run it? She my spicy little mama. She let me bust up pinata. I buy her all the designer, but she's still leaving tomorrow.
She tryna pull my pants down. I was lighting up a star, got my break time. Told her, babe, I gotta meet her over FaceTime. She don't care, my little mama never waste time. Gotta get your flight real quick. Sneaker Sandy on the plane in the fucking lipstick. She look at me like, you fuck what I think.
Goku, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Goku, say hi. Yeah, good boy. Wait, what was the most trickiest part about this?
I think it was just making sure that everything back here.
Yeah.
Because once you pull the film down here,
yeah,
you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 areas where you're gonna create fingers. So it's just a matter of doing it one side at a time.
Just massaging it slowly, right?
Yeah.
Originally I was gonna wrap the red because I'm not a fan of the red, but there's like the emblems and stuff here and this X, and I know under this is the adhesive that's super annoying. They're the stickers, and this is like the stock OEM one, and you know, the harder to come by, so I thought I'd just keep it. A lot of people are a fan of the red, but I'm not. If you know my other color, it's the kick ash and the blue, so we decided to wrap that instead because they're all clean. So this is what it's gonna be. Trying to say thanks. Where is he? There he is. Big shout out to Glenn over there for wrapping the two pieces. I'm gonna swap these and I'm gonna show you what's up. Okay, I'm such a dum-dum. I really spent 10 minutes trying to figure out why this doesn't fit. As you can see, the one on the left has like a little nub, and then I just kept forcing it in here. And then I just was like, why doesn't it work? Got all frustrated, and I realized I obviously put one bolt on the seat where it shouldn't have been, so I'm gonna fix that. Dum-dum, I'm a dum-dum. So I opted to do carbon. Originally I was gonna do like flat gloss black, but I thought that was too plain. G had the carbon laying around. He suggested carbon, so I was skeptical at first, but I mean, just looking at it now, it's like, god damn, that looks good. We were gonna do the whole tank carbon, but G said that like carbon or CF, it looks good if there's just like small touches. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do carbon here and then gloss on top, but we decided on what we did because this is gloss black and also that piece is gloss black. It really worked out. I mean, I absolutely love it. Woo! Beaut. All right, I'm gonna do some shit.
Tell me who tryna go? Who gon' drop it down like it's money on the floor? Who tryna bust it for the dollars? Who tryna freak, bring her home, girl, and run it? She my spicy little mama. She let me bust up pinata. I buy her all the designer, but she's still leaving tomorrow.